Do you want to change location on Facebook Marketplace?
You can change your address or location on Marketplace with just a few simple steps.
Hello everyone, welcome back to our new video.
In this short video tutorial, I will show you how to change location on the Facebook Marketplace. Just watch this video till the end, and do not forget to like this video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips video.
Change location on Facebook Marketplace is the process of updating or modifying the geographical location setting within the Facebook Marketplace platform. This feature allows you to adjust the location where you are browsing or searching for items, services, or listings on Facebook Marketplace. To change your location on Facebook Marketplace, first, open the Facebook app on your mobile device or go to facebook.com on your computer. Now, tap on three horizontal lines or a profile picture. Navigate to the Marketplace by clicking on the Marketplace icon. Once you're on the Marketplace, look for the location option, usually found at the top of the screen. It may be displayed as your current location or the location you previously set. Tap on the location option to edit it. Now, enter the new location you want to set for browsing items on Facebook Marketplace. You can type in a specific city or area, or allow Facebook to detect your current location automatically. You can also use a custom radius slider to set location distance or drag the cursor on the map area. After entering the new location, tap on Apply to save the changes. Once saved, Facebook Marketplace will update to show listings and items available in the new location you've set. By following these simple steps, you can easily change your location on Facebook Marketplace. If you found this video helpful, please like the video and subscribe to this channel for more tutorials and tips. And leave a comment in the comments section below.